Science day at my baby school got me putting my creative hat on. When the message came through that the children needed science themed outfits, I immediately thought, we're not buying one, we are making it ourselves. So the first thing I did was to think about a design that would actually stand out while still matching the science theme. I gathered everything I needed: plain white t shirt, fabric markers, stencils, and a few ideas I had already saved in my head. I'm not a professional designer, but I enjoy creating things for children. There is something special about making something with your own hands. I wanted each shirt to look neat, unique, and most importantly, something they would be excited to wear to school. So I decided to by sketching the design lightly before tracing it properly. I took my time because once the marker touches the fabric, there is no going back. As you can see, I kept adjusting little details to making sure everything looked balanced. The sign symbols, the drawings, and the lettering all had to fit nicely together. Honestly, this part took much longer than I expected. If every few minutes I stepped back just to check if something was still straight and evenly spaced. I also kept imagining how the finished shirt would look on the boys who wore them. That's what kept me motivated to keep going. One thing I've learned in that handmade project: always take more time than you plan for. You think it will take 30 minutes, and before you know it, you've spent hours on it. But seeing it slowly come together makes all the effort worthwhile. I wanted the designs to be bold enough to catch attention, but not overcrowded. Sometimes less is really more. As I continued, I filled the outlines carefully and made sure every line was clean. There were moments I had to pause, wipe the marker, and correct tiny mistakes. Thankfully, everything came together nicely. The boys were already curious about what I was making. They kept coming over to have a look before I finished. That made the process even more enjoyable. It's amazing how excited children become when they know something has been made especially for them. I think those little moments are what make parenting so rewarding. You don't always have to spend a lot of money. Sometimes the things they remember most are the ones you made with love and effort. By the time I finished, I was really happy with how the shirt turned out. Seeing the final result made all the time and concentration worth it. I couldn't wait to see them wearing this to their Science Day celebration. Hopefully, they will have an amazing day, learn something new, and create wonderful memories with their classmates. If you're if you're ever thinking of making something similar for your children, don't worry about making it perfect. Just enjoy the process. Your children will remember the love behind it far more than every perfect line or drawing. Thank you for spending this creative moments with me. I hope you enjoyed watching the process as much as I enjoyed making it. Let me know in the comments if you've ever made something special for your children, and don't forget to like, follow, and share if you enjoy family, lifestyle, and DIY content like this. Thank you, and see you some other time.